Healthy self-esteem will allow you to be your best. Self-talk is important. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Affirmations is key to having a healthy self-esteem because what you think is what you believe. What you say is what you think. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Being kind to yourself is so important to your self-esteem because it allows you to say, no matter what happens, I love me. Be kind and be compassionate to yourself every single day. Exercising regularly allows you to practice healthy self-esteem because you're taking care of your body. And your body, your mind, and your soul are important. I deserve to eat healthy. I deserve to be healthy. I deserve. And you deserving and showing that by eating healthy shows your mind and your body that you want to take care of yourself. People don't sleep well. You need to know how many hours you need to sleep and you need to take it. Because when you sleep well, you feel better, you're more energetic, and you're telling your body, I am taking care of you because I love you. Learn something new. Take care of your mind by learning something new. That helps you with self-esteem because it says, I care so much about myself that I want to expand my mind and expand my understanding.